Hi everyone, welcome to Spentarn learning platform, and this is the second video for the Power BI data analyst role. And in this video we'll be discussing about the introduction of the data analysis, and apart from that we'll be looking forward in the next video for the Power BI. But in this video we'll be focusing what is data analyst and what are the type of data analysis we have. So the first thing is I'm your instructor Puneet Vashistha and have been certified with the AWS, Azure and Oracle. The first question come up is what is data analysis? So don't look at this particular definition. I'm going to tell you if you are having a lot of data, it may be in the Excel, it may be with your database. So that data, if you are having and you want to analyze that data by finding out the insights like in which year we were having the huge sale. So that part is known as data analysis, and data analysis can be find out using the graph and many more things, pie chart, bar. So there are a lot of visualization tools as well with the Power BI, but majorly we are focusing with the data analysis. The data analysis, it is the process of telling a story with the help of data, by which we used to find out like yes, in this year we were having the most sales. From that data only we can analyze and predict that yes, in this upcoming one we can have this kind of uh, stats for our sales. So in this, we study the data and try to find out the different patterns and trends from it. It is in the visualized format, maybe. It can be in other format as well, which help us to analyze the current state of our organization, right? Whether we are going good or we have some improvement required. These are the type of data analysis. First one is descriptive analysis. Second one is diagnostic, predictive, prescriptive, and cognitive. We have a lot of other types as well, but majorly we have these five types. Inside that only we have some subtypes, but you do not have to worry about that. First one is descriptive. As the name itself saying descriptive, it means we are describing the current state of our organization within this analysis. For an example, Mr. X is going to a doctor who is having some headache, who is having some sneezy nose and watery eyes. So he goes to the doctor. He asks, like, what are the circumstances that how I got this kind of situation and what is the cause for it. So first of all, whatever he's saying to the doctor, he's describing his things. So that can come inside the descriptive analysis. Then the diagnostic analysis. In this analysis, we try to find out the reason of the problem. That is why Mr. X is asking to the doctor, like, why this kind of situation is coming up with me. So then the doctor will ask, what did you eat? What are the things you have done yesterday or day before yesterday? Maybe you have taken the hot bath and then you have drink the cold coffee like that only. He's somehow finding the reason why Mr. X is facing this kind of problem. Now the predictive analysis. The predictive analysis is nothing in which we use the historical data and predict the future. So Mr. X will let him know like last month also I was having such kind of issues where I have consumed the milk and after that milk I have taken some cold coffee, right? So after that hot milk he took the cold coffee. That is how his temperature got disbalanced inside the body and that's how he's facing this issue. He's having some fever as well. Then prescriptive analysis, after listening to his all the conditions, the doctor will prescribe something to him. And that is how the prescriptive analysis coming up. Like using this analysis, we try to provide the solution to the problem. He will give him the medicine. So that is how he's doing the prescriptive analysis. Then cognitive analysis, it is not the part for the data analyst, but basically this analysis has been done by the data scientist who is working in the machine learning field, basically where the machine used to learn from the data itself, right? So we have taken the example of Mr. X and the doctor. Similarly, you can take the example of company as well. In the descriptive analysis, they used to describe the state of the company, the current state of the company. Then the diagnostic analysis. In this analysis, they try to find out the reason behind the problem. If the sales goes down in the previous month, so what was the reason? So that is the diagnostic analysis. And the predictive analysis is what? Like in the previous year, in November month, they were having the huge sales. So they are thinking that yes, in the upcoming this year, we can have this huge sales in this upcoming month as well. So that is how the predictive analysis also used to work. And then prescriptive analysis, it is what like we are providing the solutions to the problem. Like for an example, it is Navratri over there, and there is a huge loss in the sales of egg. So you can think of it like, yes, it was Navratri, and what we can do. So this is somehow a prescriptive analysis, and then cognitive analysis. I've already told you that it is basically for the data scientists who used to train their machine learning applications, right? So that is the type of data analysis. Then we have the roles and responsibilities of data analyst. So the first one is prepare the data. They have to prepare the data, then they have to model that data, then they have to visualize the data. After that, they need to analyze the data, and then they have to manage the reports, share the reports. Okay, so that is the main responsibilities of data analyst. We'll be looking forward for it one by one in the upcoming videos. Then that is it from this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. So in the next video, we'll be looking forward to install the Power BI in our Windows system, and we'll be looking forward to familiar with it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hit like and subscribe. And if you have any doubt, you can comment it out in the comment box. Thank you so much. Have a good day.